Are you tired of wrestling with oversized suitcases while dodging fellow travelers like an Olympic sport? Fear not, intrepid wanderers. We've rounded up the best carry-on backpacks that marry style with convenience, so you can glide through airports like a seasoned jet-setter. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a globe-trotting guru, our curated list will unleash your inner travel ninja. Get ready to pack smart, move swiftly, and maybe even turn a few heads on your next adventure. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Vancropak 40 Liter Travel Backpack, our pick for best budget carry-on backpack. If you're on the hunt for a travel pack that combines versatility with exceptional value, look no further than the Vancropak 40 Liter bag, your soon-to-be favorite travel companion. Designed with the savvy traveler in mind, this backpack effortlessly holds everything you need for trips lasting 3 to 7 days. Whether it's a last-minute weekend escape or a spontaneous adventure, its spaciousness accommodates that extra outfit you just can't resist packing. You'll love how it unfolds like a trusty suitcase, allowing easy access to all your essentials while keeping them organized in multiple pockets and compartments. With a variety of handles that cater to all your carrying whims, and backpack straps that tuck away neatly when not in use, this bag knows how to keep things streamlined. Sure, it lacks a dedicated laptop sleeve. Retail therapy can only take you so far, but don't let that minor detail ruin the party. The smart features and overall comfort more than make up for it. Weighing in at a mere 3.98 pounds and measuring 20 by 13.7 by 6.2 inches, this durable, water-resistant polyester marvel is ready to tackle both bustling streets and airport terminals. So, whether you're gearing up for a business trip or hitting the road for leisure, the Vancropak backpack promises to have your back. Stylishly, of course. Get ready to travel light and live large. Number 4. Osprey Farpoint 40 Liter Travel Backpack, our pick for best carry-on hiking backpack. Are you ready to elevate your hiking game? Meet the Osprey Farpoint, your new best friend for all your carry-on needs. Although it's marketed as the men's version, this bag's unisex design means it's got your back, literally, no matter your shape or size. You'll be in love with the Farpoint's comfort, like a cozy hug for your spine. The expertly crafted mesh hip and shoulder straps work in harmony to distribute weight like a pro, making the bag feel lighter than your last meal. Whether you're hustling through an airport, exploring a vibrant city, or conquering rugged trails, this bag adjusts to your adventures with ease. Durability? Oh, you bet. Made from sturdy ripstop nylon, the Farpoint can handle everything from rowdy airport crowds to rocky terrains while still looking stylish enough for that unexpected cafe stop. When it comes to organization, the Osprey Farpoint is the Marie Kondo of backpacks. With full front panel access, packing and unpacking is a breeze, and dedicated sleeves for your laptop and tablet mean your precious tech stays safe and sound. If 40 liter feels a tad cramped, go for the 55 liter version that includes a detachable 15 liter day pack for those spontaneous outings. With the Osprey Farpoint by your side, you're not just carrying gear, you're carrying a ticket to adventure. Still searching for the perfect carry-on backpack? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Asenlin 40 Liter Travel Backpack, our pick for best carry-on backpack with packing cubes. If you're a budget-conscious globetrotter on the hunt for the ultimate travel companion, look no further than the Asenlin 40 Liter Travel Backpack, your new best friend in adventure. This backpack is basically designed to make your life easier, transforming chaotic packing into a breeze. With its nifty interior and exterior compression features, you can squeeze in everything you need. Yes, even those extra shoes you promised yourself you wouldn't bring. And let's talk organization. It comes with 3 packing cubes. Because let's face it, no one enjoys rummaging around for their socks at the bottom of a pit of despair. With a suitcase strap and a horizontal handle, you can choose to strut like a boss or wear it like a traditional backpack. The choice is yours, my stylish friend. Your gadgets will thank you too, with a dedicated laptop sleeve and internal straps that keep your precious tech safe and snug. Sure, it may not give off the high-end vibes of pricier brands, but let's be real, it gets the job done without costing a fortune. At just 2.7 pounds and standing tall at 18.5 by 12.5 by 9.5 inches, this 40-liter marvel is ready for anything your travels throw at it. So, if you want durability, space, and comfort, without sending your wallet into a tailspin, the Asenlin 40-liter is calling your name! Number 2. Nomatic 20-liter Travel Pack, our pick for best carry-on laptop backpack. Are you a digital nomad who thrives on the thrill of the open road? The Nomatic travel bag is essentially your trusty sidekick for this wild adventure, merging style with smarts. With a sleek design and pockets galore for your laptop, tablet, and various gadgets, it's like having an office that fits right into your backpack. Let's talk about what really matters. The dedicated electronic space. That padded laptop sleeve? It's ready to cradle your 15-inch tech companion, while the smaller sleeve stands guard over your tablet. You won't be playing hide-and-seek with your chargers and cables anymore, thanks to a specialized compartment packed with pockets that keep your devices organized and within arm's reach. Worried about spills or sneaky fingers? Fear not. The Nomatic boasts a waterproof internal pocket perfect for water bottles, toothpaste, or that sunscreen you always forget. Your essentials will stay dry and cozy, and when it comes to security, we've got your back. The zippers on the main and laptop compartments are cleverly concealed, making it tough for any would-be thief to swipe your prized gadgets. Plus, with its rugged Duraflex tarpaulin material, the Nomatic is built to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws your way. So gear up, traveler! With the Nomatic travel bag, you'll not only look good, but feel unstoppable on your journey. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Cotopaxi Allpa 35-liter Travel Pack, our pick for best carry-on backpack overall. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate carry-on backpack, look no further than the Cotopaxi Allpa 35-liter Travel Pack, your trusty sidekick for all your travels. This pack is a jack-of-all-trades, seamlessly blending high capacity with an unstructured design that lets you stuff in everything from socks to that questionable souvenir you can't resist. Those clamshell-style compartments? A game-changer for organization. Crafted from rugged TPU-coated 1000D polyester, this bag doesn't just look tough, it laughs in the face of spills and raindrops. And hey, it even comes with a rain cover, because Mother Nature can be unpredictable. Transporting your gear is a breeze, thanks to handles on all 4 sides. Picture yourself effortlessly tossing it into an overhead bin or maneuvering through throngs of travelers. Just a heads up though, it's missing those nifty side pockets for your water bottle, so you might have to tuck it into the front pocket like a sneaky ninja. After 4 years of world traveling escapades, I can vouch for its durability and functionality. We've conquered airports, road trips, and even some questionable train rides together. No extra baggage fees required. With dimensions of 20 by 12 by 8 inches and weighing in at just 3.8 pounds, the Allpa 35-liter is your go-to gear for weekend getaways or longer adventures. Get ready to travel smart and stylish. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best carry-on backpacks. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which carry-on backpack you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.